guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Samsung wireless charger blinking yellow. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering why you are getting this issue. So we first need to get to know here what is the yellow blinking often means. So if there's an issue with the connection or power flow to your phone, well in this case you might get this issue here. Now, a common cause is a dirty or damaged battery, so you need to check this. So try using a wired charger or your device and see if it actually charges normally. If that doesn't help, you might want to get a professional to inspect the battery for any damages. Now, if your battery is just dirty, the charger should clean it automatically when placed on the pad, and the yellow blinking should stop. However, if it doesn't, in this case, if it keeps blinking, check the thickness on your phone case. So sometimes if you have like a thick phone case, it might not reach the wireless charger here properly. So remove the phone case and try charging it bare, or the actual using just the bare phone here. Now in this case, it should, or sometimes it will slow down the charging process again if you have like some form of case on your phone. So go ahead and remove that. And finally, the last thing you could do here is you want to check the compatibility between your charger and your device. So some chargers may not work perfectly with every model and might require additional accessories here, which again, you need to see if your devices are, or in this case your charger here, is compatible with your current phone. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.